Figure 2 shows a sketch of the curve C with parametric equations x equals root 3 sine 2t and y equals 4 cos squared t for t between 0 and pi. Show that dy dx is equal to k times root 3 times tan 2t, where k is a constant to be determined. Find an equation of the tangent to C at the point where t equals pi over 3. Give your answer in the form y equals ax plus b, where a and b are constants. So I've got the question here, and part C. Find a Cartesian equation of C. So here's all the parts then here. So let's have a little look at it then. So first of all, dy dx. So part A. First of all, we need dx dt, don't we? Differentiate this. Sine of something goes to cos of something. Root 3 lots of cos of something multiplied by the something differentiated with respect to t is 2. dy dt then. 4 cos squared, something squared, the 2 comes down to be with the 4 to make 8, cosine t to the 1, multiplied by the something differentiated, minus sine t, function of a function rule. So dy dx then is equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. So it's 8 with a minus sine t cos t, over 2 root 3 cosine 2t. Take the 2 away from that, minus 4. The 2 sine t cos t can be sine 2t. And then we can take the root 3 up to the top by root 3 over 3. There's already a 2 there to make 6. So we end up with then equal to, okay, we get minus 2 root 3 over 3. Sine 2t. And that tells us then that the value of k that we were asked to write it in the form of tan over cos 2t here, sorry, forgotten that. And this is tan 2t. So let's put that in. Tan 2t. So that tells us that k is equal to minus 2/3. Okay, let's just double check that. There's dx, there's dy, minus 4 sine 2t over cos 2t, which is tan 2t, minus 2/3 over root 3, so the k would be minus 2/3, that's fine. So there's dy dx then. Find the equation of the tangent at t equals pi over 3 then. T equals pi over 3 gives, well, the first thing is dy dx. Pi over 3 in here would be minus 2 root 3 over 3, and 2 pi over 3 tan of 2 pi over 3, 2 lots of pi over 3. Which is, if we think about our circle, if we don't want to tap it in the calculator, tan in this quadrant here, because it's 120 degrees, is negative, so that makes that positive. 2 root 3 over 3, and it's tan of 60 degrees, isn't it? Which is root 3, which is 2. So there's our gradient then, equal to 2. X is equal to, so I'm going to copy these now, because we need to work these out. So let's just take them down and work with these. Okay, so that was dy dx. X is equal to and y is equal to then. So here x is equal to sine 2t is root 3 sine 2 pi over 3, isn't it? And this one is 4 cosine squared pi over 3. Cos of 60 is a half, cos squared is a quarter, 4 times a quarter is 1. Here sine of 120, because sine is positive, and it corresponds to sine 60, which is root sine 60, which is root 3 over 2 times root 3 is 3 over 2. So you can tap these values in the calculator if you need to. So the equation of the tangent then is y minus 1 is equal to the gradient 2 x minus the x value, which is equal to 2x minus 3 when we expand the bracket. And so we can now write down that y is equal to 2x, move this over to plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So y equals 2x minus 2. That's what we needed to do. Find a Cartesian equation of C. So, what did we have then? So here, okay, so x is equal to root 3 times 2 sine t cosine t. That's what x is equal to. When we write this, expand the double angle formula here, use the double angle formula. And y is equal to, so cosine squared t then is equal to y over 4. So let's square this. So x squared is equal to 3 times 4 is 12 sine squared t cosine squared t. And that's equal to 12 1 minus cosine squared t times the cosine squared t. 12 1 minus y over 4 times the y over 4 then. Just putting the y over 4 instead of cos squared. So we've got x squared is equal to 12y over 4, which is 3, lots of y, minus y squared over 16, 3 over 4, 3y squared over 4. So what do we get then? We get, move this over to this side, x squared plus 3y squared over 4 minus 3y equals 0. Let's just double check that then. X squared was equal to this. 1 minus cos squared was sine squared. Cos squared was y over 4. So it's 1 minus y over 4 times y over 4. Y squared over 16 times 12 is 3/4 y squared with a minus. And 12 over 4 is 3. And that's x squared, so that's fine.